Given set capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Tell me, students. Students, respond. My voice is clear? Yeah, 1, 1.
1, 2, comma 2.
2, 2, 3,
3,
3.
belongs to the given
1.
Okay.
and 2, comma 3.
Yeah, reflexive students.
A,
So
comma
one
A,
sentence you can write means, yeah, very good. A comma A belongs to R.
and
For all A is belongs to set A. Okay. R is reflexive.
yes, ma'am.
Next, symmetric.
A, comma B belongs to R and B, comma A belongs to R.
Yeah. See, as that is what 1, 2. Take one order pair. As 1, 2 belongs to R.
But 2, 1 does not belong to R.
Yeah, 2, 1 does not belong to R. Similarly, 2, 3 also. 2, 3 also. Okay, now we have to check both the order pairs. But here one order pair only it is not there. So we can write it as therefore. What happened? Tell me, students.
It is not
R is not
reflexive.
symmetric.
Symmetric.
Is it clear, all of you students? Please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, transitive. Transitive means take as 1, 2 belongs to R. Continuation is there. This
2,
2 continuation. 2, R also 2, 3 also belongs to R.
But 1, 3 does not belong to
Very good. So therefore R is not
transitive.
transitive. Okay, PU students. So compulsory you need to write this step some.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So schema of evaluation is different there. PU board ma. So compulsory those steps is there. Then only they will give the marks. Not CBSE. If you write that simple 1 line 2 lines also they will give the mark. But PU students not like that.
Ma'am, if you
have to
miss
follow.
that line, they won't give complete mark for the question, ma'am.
Yeah, correct only. No.
They won't correct.
Any doubt
They
here?
won't correct the complete question.
Little bit more down.
Which question you want?
Yes, ma'am.
This question.
Example 4.
Okay, copy it. Example 4. Okay. Next, last model students. 3 questions are there. These 3 questions are very important for CBSE and PU for 3 marks. Okay. Next one. Next question. Important. Check whether the relation capital R defined in the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as capital R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive.
Set A equal to
Now here A set
B
is
equal
equal to given that 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6.
R relation equal to
R is equal to A comma B such that now yeah substitute. First take A is equal to 1.
B
If substitute
equal
A
to
is
2.
equal to 1, what is the B value?
B equal to 2.
If A is equal to 2,
2, 3,
it is 3.
3, 4,
Next
4,
4,
3,
5,
4.
5, 6.
That's all right.
Um,
That's all right.
Yes,
If you take 6, no, 7 will get you. That 7 is does not belongs to set A. Okay. Now tell me, reflexive.
R is not reflexive.
Tell me that sentence.
As
Sentence you should tell
does
all of
A
you.
comma A
as A comma A does not belong.
Very good.
does not belong to or for all A comma A.
Very good. Please
A is
respond, all
not
of you
reflexive.
students. Respond one.
R is not reflexive.
Therefore,
R
R
is
is
not reflexive.
R is not reflexive.
Reflexive.
next. Symmetric. Tell me symmetric.
A comma B.
As 1 comma 2, take one order pair, it is enough. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but
1.
does not belongs to R. So therefore,
Not
R
symmetric.
is not.
R is not
R is not
Symmetric.
Next. Transitive.
1 comma 2 as 1 comma 2.
As 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Tell me next another element. Continuation element you had to write.
2
2
comma
comma 3.
2.
2 comma 3.
Comma 3.
What
Yeah,
comma
if 2
3.
is there
Does
means 2
not-
1 comma
only
3
had.
does not belong to
Yes,
us.
ma'am.
2 comma 3 does not belong to R.
Very
Yes,
good.
yes, ma'am.
So therefore, R is not
Transitive.
transitive. Any doubts, friends? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What's it? Jiten,